One word that I don't hear a lot of Thai learners are using is the word kop. Maybe because it has many meanings. คบคนนี้นิสัยดีมีเพื่อนคบเยอะ Would you understand this sentence คนนี้นิสัยดีมีเพื่อนคบเยอะ This person is very nice. He has a lot of people who want to be friend with him. Okay, to be friend with someone คบเพื่อน In Thai we say คบเพื่อน to be friend with someone. But it also depends on the context. Sometimes we just say the word คบ For example คนนี้นิสัยไม่ดีไม่มีคนคบไม่มีคนคบคนนี้นิสัยไม่ดี This person has bad character or bad characteristics ไม่มีคนคบ Nobody want to friend with him. Okay, but you also can use the word คบ in relationship like boy girl relationship. For example เขาคบกันมานานแล้วเขาคบกันมานานแล้ว They have been together for a very long time. Okay เขาคบกันมานานแล้วคบ I mean you spend time with the person you date could be dating could be associate with the person like I don't want to associate with this person คนนี้นิสัยไม่ดีไม่คบ Okay if you're in a gray area with someone like you're in a relationship ไม่รู้ว่าเป็นอะไรนะ you can ask the person เราคบกันแบบไหน how are we like seeing each other how what is this relationship เราคบกันแบบไหนคบ is a verb okay mean we maybe you've been hanging out with someone for quite some time and you don't know the relationship you can ask เราคบกันแบบไหนผมเป็นอะไรสำหรับคุณฉันเป็นอะไรสำหรับคุณ who am I to you okay can you think of more example using คบ or when you learn a new word and you want to find out how to use it in the context you can Google in Thai I think a lot of Thai learners have not been doing it many times they will try to learn a word from a Thai English dictionary and just try to jump straight and use it and or they try to search for something like in English like what is the word คบ what does the word คบ mean they forgot to think that Thai people probably have used this word like 1,000 times so if you Google in Thai you will see a lot more examples okay I hope today you learned something about คบ and feel free to share with me what are the other example that you can think of with the word คบคบเพื่อนคบแฟนคบกันตอนนี้คุณคบใครอยู่คะ Who are you seeing now ตอนนี้คุณคบใครอยู่คะ